The IQAir GC Multigas filter bundle is a highly efficient replacement set designed to work seamlessly with IQAir GC Multigas air purifiers. Engineered to capture at least 99% of small particles such as dust, pollen, and mold spores, the True HEPA filter ensures superior air purification. The bundle also includes activated carbon cartridges that effectively reduce household odors and volatile organic compounds from various sources like cooking and cleaning chemicals. With a recommended replacement interval of 12 months for the HEPA filter and 2.5 years for the carbon cartridges, this bundle provides long-lasting performance. Filter Monster's design not only enhances air quality, but also extends the life of your air purifier by capturing fine particles before they reach other filters. This comprehensive filter bundle is an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy indoor environment and ensuring the optimal performance of your air purifier.